Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I do hope that definitely you will find with the grace of Allah Almighty. Today we are going to see a new letter and a new sound, that is B sound, mean B letter, and the sound that this letter produces is B. Listen very carefully that how this sound is being pronounced. Rob, rob. First of all, focus on the B sound, okay, and then we will try to pronounce and learn that how this B sound does produce the different kind of sounds, this letter.
Rob, rob, rob.
Okay, let's come and see how many letters and we do pronounce and where this specific word is the sound is being pronounced. First of all, the lips are coming together. When we try to speak or pronounce this sound, our lips try to closer each other, stopping the airflow from the mouth. Tongue position may be affected by the sound before and after itself. The vocal folds separate and vibrate. The velum is raised, blocking off the nasal cavity. Keep the air pressure for a second and then opens lip. Okay, opens lips. When the lips part, there is a noise released from the throat, that is B sound. It seems like to be P sound. Very closely, the P letter. And let's come and see that how this B sound is pronounced. So here the word is tub. Tub.
Tub, tub, tub.
Listen very carefully and try to understand where the B sound is pronounced and how it seems to be very close to the B sound.
Tub, tub. Tub,
Okay, let's come and see that how many letters do produce the same sound. Let's come and see. Here we have two letters, single B and double B. Always remember that when we try to pronounce or create a sound, if we see a double letters, they always pronounce single sound. Okay, let's come and see that how a single letter B does produce sound. First of all, we have here the word bed, bed, bed.
bed, bed, bed.
Bear, bear.
Beer, beer, beer.
Blue, blue.
Blue, blue, blue.
The next word is problem, problem, problem.
Problem, problem, problem.
And the next word is web, web.
Web, web, web.
This is how you see that this is how this word or this letter does produce B sound. Given below is a few words. Try to pronounce them, okay, and try to make the practice, and you will see that how this B sound is focused, is centered, and is just make an analysis. Okay, number one is bow, bow. The next one is back, back. Number next is job, job. Number next is bull, bull. Bed, bed, bad, bad. Buy, buy. Birthday, birthday. About, about. Body, body, boy, boy, bread, bread, bag, bag, book, book, boot, boot. So these are the words. If you make the practice about these words and will try to pronounce the b sound, automatically you will learn that how this b sound is focused, is learned, and it is how this sound is being spoken. I do hope that definitely you will have understood the b sound, and inshallah next lecture I will tell you about that same sound with the double letter b. Till then, Allah Hafiz.